Digital transformation is driving industries toward high-performance computing and cloud computing. Flexible, efficient, and green data center infrastructure is the key foundation to achieve this. INVT, the data center infrastructure expert, empowers your digital transformation with diversified and high-efficiency prefabricated modular data center solutions. From single cabinets to containment and containerized facilities, INVT delivers diversified, high-efficiency modular solutions. With self-produced UPS, precision cooling, IT racks, and intelligent monitoring system, INVT solutions ensure stable and reliable operation, minimizing risk associated with multi-vendor coordination. With a total investment of $162 million, Zhongshan Industrial Park spans 350,000 square meters. Phase 1 covers 145,000 square meters and features state-of-the-art smart production lines. Every year, we deliver up to 240,000 UPS units and 31,200 precision cooling and modular data center products. Annual capacity will reach 240,000 UPS units and 31,200 network energy products. Adhering to international ISO management systems and TUV lab tested, we guarantee high stability and availability to support your core operations. With years of experience in data center projects, we have earned high recognition and trust from key clients across IDC, education, banking, and government sectors, collaboratively building a secure and reliable digital foundation. INVT, the one-stop data center infrastructure expert, empowering your digital transformation with diversified, high-efficiency solutions.